Welcome everybody to Carol's art room. Well, I haven't painted for a few weeks, so I'm going to do a couple of round coasters. I'm liking the round coasters right now. So I'm just going to pour down some Glidden Premium. And these are only, I think, like 5 inches. I'll do 2. I've taped the back, and then I'll resin them when I'm done. Okay, let's see. I'm going to use some pretty color greens, and just green and blue. I asked my husband, I said, what color should I do? She said lime green and blue, like navy or blue. So I got 2 greens and 2 blues. So let's see. Let's put this is Maiden Cerulean Blue. Let's put this down first. Just need a little bit. And then I'll put some this green. Green, oh, not that one, greenish yellow. It's amazing how fast I lose the lids. It's just, I think it's a mixture of a few different greens. Oops, oops, it's a lot of green. It's a Artist Loft leaf green and Arteza mint green mixed together. All right, I'm gonna put this dark blue. This is Payne's Gray by Deco Art and some phthalo blue golden. It's a little bit too thick, so I'm gonna add some water. Too much of that in. Don't want it too dark, so then the lime green can go on top. It's Greenish Yellow by Amsterdam. Oops. Okay, I'll get my cell activator. A good stir. Use my mini blower. Wow. Let that develop a little bit. Give it a few minutes. See, they're all coming up now. It's pretty. All right, I think I can give it a good spin now. Push it this way a little bit. That looks like a leaf. See if it's moving anything. That was very pretty. I'll do another one quickly. One more. I think it's spun enough. All right, let's get this up. Very pretty. Okay. All right, let's do this again. All right. Hi, everybody. Well, here's the dried circle coasters. Look how gorgeous that is. I'm amazed. This one's beautiful. Dried awesome. And this is the second one I did that my camera battery died, so, but this is how the second one turned out. Same order and same paint colors, and it's amazing how different it is. Probably a different quantity, but still beautiful. There you go. Thanks for watching my videos. Have a great day, everyone.